Hello everyone, welcome in craftingwheel channel. Today I will show you how to make a crochet scrunchie and I hope to admire you. If you admire you, please could you subscribe and share and like that video, and if you have any question don't hesitate to ask me and I will reply you as soon as possible. To make that a crochet scrunchie, I will use Elise PVC cream yarn and hook number 3.5 millimeter as shown now. And make elastic band like that. Let's start. I will start round 1. I will make a slip knot as shown now. Then make 47 single crochet stitches around that elastic band. I will make it and I'll come back. Then I will close with slip stitch to close round 1 as shown now. Then I will start round 2. I will make 3 chains, then make 2 double crochet into same stitch, and make 3 double crochet into next stitch as shown now, and repeat that 4 times. That is first time. I will make it and I'll come back. Then I will change color to red as shown now. That is last double crochet into that process, and I will change color to red. I have 2 loops on the hook and I will grab third loop through it to close that double crochet. Then I will make 7 double crochet into next stitch into same stitch. I will make it and I'll come back. Now I made the strawberry with the red color. Then I will change color to green and pin 7 double crochet from first double crochet to last double crochet, and grab the green yarn as shown now. Then make single crochet, 6 single crochet together from between the 7 double crochet from every double crochet and another as shown now. I will make single crochet 6 together as shown now to make that strawberry. I will make it and I'll come back. Then I will change color again to white as shown now. And grab two colors, green and red as shown now, and make 3 double crochet into next stitch, into same stitch. Then repeat that 7 times, 3 double crochet into same stitch. That is first time. I will make it and I'll come back. Then I will repeat with same sequence across that row. Repeat that strawberry as shown now with the same sequence. I hope that obvious for you. I will make it and I'll come back. Now I'll start round 3. I will make 3 chains and make single crochet into the next stitch, then make 3 chains again and make single crochet into next stitch and repeat with same sequence across that row, then close with slip stitch. I will make it and I'll come back. Now I finished that crochet scrunchie with that shape, and I hope to admire you. If you admire you, please could you subscribe and share and like that video, and if you have any question, don't hesitate to ask me and I will reply you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching.